Yeah, it was a frustrating night in a couple of ways, really, because we struggled to get a bit of flow in the game, and then we scored a lovely try, the first try. Second half, then we didn't execute. You know, we spent a lot of territory in their half. Held up a couple of times. 2 intercepts kills you as well. You know, I think that poor play really for the 2 intercepts, because they're pretty much carbon copy of each other. So that was disappointing to give 14 points away like that. But yeah, so look, we spoke about it after the game that it was the end of our pre-season block. You know, and we felt that coming into the game that we wanted to put a better performance on, but you know, sometimes that's just the way it goes. So what we have to do now is regroup and make sure that when we come back on Monday next week, is, you know, we have a big task ahead of us in South Africa. So you know, hopefully, you know, we'll have a healthy squad going. There's a couple of guys come back from fitness from injury as well. Back to fitness. So looking forward to getting out there. You know, I think that it's been 17 weeks or 16 weeks together so far. So yes, we're always disappointed with the result at the end of the day, but it's a pre-season game. You know, there's no points on show for this one. What we have to do is take the bones out of what we can and make sure that you know, we're better in certain areas come Bulls in 2 weeks. Brilliant servant. Yeah, I know I was lucky to play in his first cap here at the Scarlets, and also in his first cap internationally as well. So it's you know, he's been a fantastic servant, a great role model for our players. You know, and you know, you look at the accolades he's had as well. How many 3-4 Grand Slams. Player of the series in New Zealand for the Lions, which is a massive feat in itself, you know, and also what he's produced, what he's given to the Scarlets as well. You know, I know he's proud to wear the shirt. He's been captain for the last 2 years. He's led by example, both on the field and off the field. You know, I think his dedication to his role here has been huge. So look, I'm a great fan of his, and you know, he thoroughly deserves all the accolades he has, and you know, hopefully he can have another good season.